If you type passive income ideas into YouTube, you'll find tons of results. I spent a whole day watching and gathering the best ideas to put together this video for you. Some ideas, like high-interest savings accounts and money market funds, might seem safe, but they offer very low returns. Inflation can easily eat away at your profits, making them less appealing for 2024. Certificates of deposit, CDs, also lock up your money for a long time with interest rates that don't make a big difference. Some ideas have become outdated. Traditional rental properties can still be profitable, but with the hassles and upfront costs, other options have become more attractive. And who remembers renting DVDs? Those days are gone. There are also ideas that are too niche, like domain flipping, which requires a lot of luck and vision. Not everyone can predict trends and hold on to domain names for years before seeing any profit. Now let's get to the exciting part. The top 10 passive income ideas that I've selected. These ideas are the best mix of profit, practicality, and ease of management. Stick around until the end of the video so you don't miss anything. 1. Membership websites. Steady monthly income. Who's it for? People who are experts in a specific field and want to build a community around it. Initial investment. Around $2,000, $10,000 for building the website, creating initial content, and marketing. Potential earnings. $500, $5,000 per month, depending on the number of members and monthly fees. A membership website is one of the strongest ways to earn passive income. If you're an expert in something like education, finance, or personal development, you can create an online community where people pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content or join discussions. While it takes time and effort to set up and promote, once you have a steady number of members, you can earn a regular monthly income. 2. Crowdfunded real estate. Easy investment with small capital. Who's it for? Small investors who want to get into real estate without buying a whole property. Initial investment. From $500, $1,000. Potential earnings, 5 to 15% per year, depending on how well the property performs. Crowdfunded real estate lets you invest in big real estate projects without needing a lot of money. Instead of buying an entire property, you invest a small amount and become part owner of the property. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make it easy to join these projects and earn money from rental income or property sales. 3. Renting space on Airbnb. Turn spare rooms into income. Who's it for? Homeowners with extra space or property that isn't used often. Initial investment. Basic decoration and upgrades around $1,000, $5,000. Potential earnings. $500, $3,000 per month, depending on location and guest demand. Airbnb has changed the way we think about renting out property. If you have an extra room or an unused apartment, you can rent it out to travelers. Income from Airbnb can be very attractive, especially if you're in a touristy area or a big city. Just make sure to follow local rental laws and make your space comfortable for guests. 4. Car rentals on Turo. Make money from your car. Who's it for? People with a car they don't use often or own multiple cars. Initial investment. Maintenance and insurance costs around $500, $2,000. Potential earnings. $300, $1,500 per month, depending on the type of car and market demand. If you have a car you don't use frequently, renting it out on Turo is a great way to earn extra income. Turo allows you to make money from your car when you're not using it. This can be especially beneficial if you live in a tourist area or somewhere with high demand for short-term car rentals. Just make sure your car is well maintained and insured. 5. Dividend stocks. Earn money while you sleep. Who's it for? Investors looking for stability and long-term passive income. Initial investment. Minimum $1,000, better with $10,000 or more for better returns. Potential earnings, 2-6% per year, plus potential stock growth. Investing in dividend stocks lets you earn passive income regularly. Companies that pay dividends share part of their profits with shareholders, so you make money even when you're not working. Choosing companies with a strong history of paying dividends is key to success in this type of investment. 6. Print on demand. Design and sell products without inventory. Who's it for? Creative people who can design and enjoy making things. Initial investment. Under $100 for design tools and marketing. Potential earnings. $100, $1,000 per month, depending on the popularity of your designs. Print on demand is a business model where you create designs for things like t-shirts, mugs, and other products. When someone buys something, it's printed and shipped automatically. Platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, and Merch by Amazon help you sell these products without managing inventory. Success depends on your creative designs and effective marketing. 7. YouTube. Create content and earn from ads. Who's it for? Content creators who enjoy sharing knowledge and have good presentation skills. Initial investment, $500, $2,000 for basic filming and editing equipment. Potential earnings, from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars per month, depending on views and ad partnerships. Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to earn passive income. Once you have a library of quality videos, they can keep making money from ads and sponsorships for years. Building an audience takes time, but once your channel gets popular, you can earn from AdSense. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to start earning from ads. 8. Create an app. Tap into digital potential. Who's it for? Developers or those with a unique app idea and market knowledge. Initial investment, $5,000, $50,000 for app development and marketing. Potential earnings, from a few thousand to millions of dollars, depending on the app's success. If you have a unique app idea and the ability to develop it, this could be a golden opportunity for passive income. A successful app can earn significant revenue from ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. Although the app market is competitive, a great idea executed well can be very profitable. 9. Vending machines. Convenient business. Who's it for? Those who want a simple business model with minimal management. Initial investment, $3,000, $10,000 for machines and initial stock. Potential earnings, $200, $1,000 per month per machine, depending on location and product type. Vending machines are a steady way to earn passive income. Place them in high-traffic areas like office buildings, schools, or gyms, and they'll handle sales on their own. The initial investment can be high, but if you choose the right locations and products, you can enjoy steady profits with minimal management. 10. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Who's it for? Those with skills in creating digital content like ebooks, online courses, or templates. Initial investment, around $500, $5,000 to develop products, including design, content creation, and marketing. Potential earnings, $100, $10,000 per month, depending on the product's popularity and marketing effectiveness. Creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates can provide a steady source of passive income. After creating your product, you can continue selling it without extra production costs. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it easy to host and sell digital products. For success, your products need to be high quality and genuinely valuable to your audience. We've just covered the top 10 awesome passive income ideas for 2024. These suggestions are tried and tested, and have great potential for growth. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quickly. It takes time, effort, and patience at the start. But once it's set up, it can provide lasting benefits. So, have you found an idea that suits you? Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all path to passive income. You can try out different methods or combine several to find what works best for you. The most important thing is to start somewhere and stay persistent. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, start with ideas that require less effort and initial investment, like print on demand or creating digital products. Once you have some experience and income, you can explore other methods like crowd-funded real estate or dividend stocks. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. Persistence and determination are key. Passive income is about creating sustainable sources of income without constant effort. This allows you to have more time for what you love, spend with family, or pursue other passions. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions or need more advice, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest tips for making money and improving your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.